Hi, Kevin. Here's the second story I wanted to read you. Since we talked about the sun in the last story, I thought it would be fun to talk about the earth. And do you remember what we said about the earth? Yes, it's smaller than the sun, but also it's where we live. Earth. What do we know about the earth? We know a lot. We know that Earth is a planet in space. Earth moves around the sun. We know that Earth has land. The land has mountains, valleys, and plains. It has forests, deserts, and grasslands. We know that Earth has water. The water flows in oceans, lakes, and rivers. The water is home to plants and animals, like the fish and the whale. We know that Earth has air. The air keeps Earth from getting too hot or too cold to live on. The air moves and makes our weather. You know what weather is? Weather's like, it's windy, it's rainy, it's stormy, it's snowy. We know that Earth has living things. It's the only planet that we know of that has living things on it. Plants and animals need Earth's water, land, and air to live. You see all the plants and animals? The bee, the flowers, the fish, the bear, the birds, the trees, the mountains, sky. We don't know everything about Earth. We are still exploring Earth's land, water, and air. What part of Earth would you like to explore? I would like to explore the ocean. I hope you like that story. I have two more to read to you, the science stories, so I'm going to read the next one.